bear crawl. The bear crawl is a renegade row in motion. Show you what it looks like, then break it down. I stagger the weights to start out with. Brace my abs. I push into one hand, retract my shoulder blade on the other side, swing my arm. Brace, retract my shoulder blade on the other side, and swing. Great for your abs, glutes, and shoulders and chest stability. It's one step and then one hop. One step with your hands and one hop. If you do too many steps with your hands or too many hops, your body gets out of position and you lose the plank. So it's all about keeping the plank. That's where you're going to find the benefits. Do this exercise. I start out with the weight staggered, so you can swing it right off the bat so you don't get out of position. Squeeze your butt, swing, hop. That's the bear crawl.